honor of National Buff Stain in Your Gallery Day, David and I have been doing just that. This is where what the 95-year-old floor at Ford House in the gallery is looking like these days. And we're still not done, but we're getting there. In about 2.5 hours, David and I managed to apply the color to the floors here in the gallery. And this is what we got. I will stroll down to the other end. Here's the large bay window on the west side. French doors opening up out onto the, I think they call it Apple Courtyard. And then I'll try and walk backwards without busting my ass. And that's it. Next, we apply the finish. Okay, we are back at Ford House in Grosse Pointe, and now we're going to walk through and show you the fruits of our labor. I remember starting off, this is the dining room. This is the herringbone floor. And that is the finished product. I'm going to step around here into the morning room. Back over here in the corner. I think I mentioned where you are in Grosse Pointe, and this is Ford House. We are very, very pleased with the way things have turned out. We had some pretty noticeable UV damage over here in this area. Right about in here, there was a very dark line going back from UV exposure. The waxes, materials on the floor had darkened, and we have a pretty uniform look now. And the floors now complement the walls. There is no stain in this oak floor at all, either now or before. It has multiple applications of magic oil, and it's worked out beautifully.